Here in St. Vincent, our ecosystem majors in trees and vines particularly. By going the ecological route, we are not just benefiting ourselves in terms of producing more healthy food, but we're also benefiting all the other creatures and all the other beings around us, because ecological farming takes into account all the other life that's around us and trying to integrate with that and produce with them instead of trying to destroy them so we can produce for ourselves.
Hello, I'm Stephanie Williams.
My name is Laurel Hamilton.
My name is Urel Louis Laborde.
I am Kenneth Edwards, better known as Bajan.
Well, my name is Lyndon Stevens. I'm from Chateaubriand. Back in the days, like maybe in the 80s and 90s, garden used to be part of our culture. But recently, the younger generation, I think, refrained from involving in gardening and farming.
Our farmers down here, I noticed in recent times, they carry all their produce to the capital, Kingston. So we in the rural areas, we have to go there to get them.
St. Vincent, we are a country that more based on import than what we actually grow here. So that's one of the major problems.
I'll buy the local, but you still have to be skeptical of what you're buying because of the chemicals in the products.
I don't think there's a lot of organic farmers in St. Vincent.
The diabetes, killing out a lot of people, and the cancer.
Because of people based so much on import and they are so much into canned food and processed food, there's a high rate of diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol.
You have diabetes, you have hypertension. So those are some of the chronic diseases that we have.
Like sugar, pressure, and all them stuff there.
Hypertension and diabetes, yeah. These days I find a lot of people are coming down with stroke and the heart problem.
Especially the young people, I think they like a lot of imported food.
Back in the past, people more inject time and effort into gardening. The younger generation now prefer not to garden because they like things that is there at hand. You know, so people prefer imports.
Because I go with friends, and even sometimes we go and pick the tomatoes. You see, like some sprays on them, because they have to keep away flies and other insects.
Once you know what you grow and you eat what you grow, it would be better for you because we don't use fertilizer or chemicals in the garden.
People like the easier way out. People use pesticide, herbicide. You know, they don't really use the natural organic stuff on their garden.
Well, you know, like I travel, and then when I go like England or America, I get in the supermarket where you have organic, and I noticed that they are more expensive. So you know, I was finding out what is this organic, and then after the information get here, I was interested.
Not knowing how to prepare organic garden are one of the most difficult part because, for instance, I myself did not know how to prepare an organic garden before RVA come in existence.
So they become healthier with the greens.
For your health, it's the best thing to do.
To a matter of fact, it's me alone, so I will satisfy. I can't eat all.